I recently broke two of my nails because I was doing some experiments on them, which I shouldn't have. Anyway, I have to cut them all to same length. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through the process of cutting my nails off. I'm going to be using this very distracting plate by Beromt Cosmetics. I love that this is multi-chrome. Now I'm going to cut them to a length a little more than what I actually want because I will be filing them down. It was really difficult. Anyway, let's get past this moment and chop off the nails. And it's done. I legit feel bald. Then I took this 4-in-1 nail file thing by Colorbar. This is actually pretty good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is shape my nails to my desired type. Once done filing, I will remove every bit of nail paint that is probably still on my nails so that it's like perfectly clean for the next step. Once we're done with this, we're gonna smoothen the edges because there are gonna be some layers hanging from the bottom of the filed nails. Now I have a couple of uneven ridges on my nails, so I'm gonna buff it off. Next, I am taking this cuticle remover by Corazon. I got this from ilovemypolish.com. I will link everything in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So basically, we have to apply it on our cuticles and keep it for like 3, 4, or 5 minutes. Don't keep it for too long, you might get rashes. If it feels irritating or anything, then please do not use it any further. Anyway, after a few minutes, it's gonna soften the dead skins around the nail, and we're gonna just scrape it off very gently. I do this once in 2 weeks or so. I usually don't need this because I use the cuticle portion quite rigorously, so I don't have these a lot unless I'm swatching quite constantly, and I am not using cuticle portion that often. Once done cleaning, I'm going to wipe it off with a cotton pad. Next step is nail care. I am using this nail oil by Arana by Ashneet. I'm going to apply it on all over my nails and the underside of the nails because they need care too. One drop for each nail is more than enough. Then I'm going to massage them in gently for like 1 to 2 minutes at least. Now we're going to follow it up with the cuticle portion. I'm also using the cuticle portion from Arana by Ashneet, and I'm done with my nail care here. I have put the link and the discount codes in the description box, so make sure you check them out. And I'm kind of digging the short nails. I've already started doing a lot of nail art on them. This was the first one. I really like it. Let me know how you like it in the comments, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.